Hello, friends! Today, we're solving some fun and tricky math riddles. Are you ready to test your brain power? Let's go! I am a number. I'm greater than 5 but less than 10. What am I? The answer is 6, 7, 8, or 9. Did you get it right? If you have 3 apples and you give 2 away, how many do you have left? The answer is 1 apple. Great job if you got it. What comes next in this pattern? 2, 4, 6. The answer is 8. It's a pattern of adding 2 each time. Bonus riddle time. I am an odd number. Take away 1 letter and I become even. What am I? The answer is 7. Take away these and it becomes even. Great job solving math riddles today. Keep practicing and having fun with numbers. See you next time. To watch more videos for more learning fun, please subscribe.